Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will discuss one of the most common air conditioning problems. Why is my split AC not cooling properly? Many homeowners immediately think the AC has run out of gas, but in reality, several different issues can reduce cooling performance. In this video, we will cover the top 5 reasons why your split AC is not cooling and how to fix them. Let's get started. 1. Dirty air filters. One of the most common causes of poor cooling is a dirty air filter. Air filters are designed to trap dust and dirt before air passes through the evaporator coil. Over time, these filters become clogged and restrict airflow. When airflow decreases, cooling performance drops. The room takes longer to cool. Electricity consumption increases. Ice may form on the evaporator coil. How to fix it? Open the indoor unit front panel. Remove the filters. Wash them with clean water. Allow them to dry completely. Reinstall the filters. For most homes, filters should be checked and cleaned regularly, depending on dust conditions. 2. Dirty evaporator or condenser coils. The evaporator coil inside the indoor unit absorbs heat from the room. The condenser coil in the outdoor unit releases heat outside. When either coil becomes dirty, heat transfer efficiency decreases. Cooling performance drops. Compressor workload increases. Electricity bills rise. Even if the AC has enough refrigerant, dirty coils can significantly reduce cooling. How to fix it? Clean the indoor evaporator coil. Clean the outdoor condenser coil. Remove dust, leaves, and debris. Follow manufacturer cleaning recommendations. Regular maintenance helps maintain efficient cooling. Low refrigerant, gas, charge. Refrigerant is responsible for absorbing and transferring heat. If refrigerant leaks from the system, cooling performance will decrease. Common signs of low refrigerant include weak cooling, ice formation on indoor coil, longer running times, reduced airflow temperature, bubbling or hissing sounds near leak points. How to fix it? The correct solution is, find and repair the leak. Pressure test the system if necessary. Evacuate the system properly. Recharge refrigerant according to manufacturer specifications. Simply adding refrigerant without fixing the leak is not a permanent solution. 4. Faulty capacitor or compressor problems. The compressor is the heart of the air conditioning system. If the compressor cannot start properly, the AC may run but produce little or no cooling. A failed capacitor can also prevent the compressor from operating correctly. Common symptoms include outdoor unit not running, humming sounds, frequent tripping, warm air from the indoor unit. How to fix it? Inspect capacitor condition. Check compressor electrical connections. Measure voltage and current. Replace faulty components when necessary. Electrical diagnosis should be performed by qualified technicians. 5. Incorrect thermostat or remote settings. Sometimes the problem is much simpler than people expect. Incorrect settings can make an AC appear faulty even when it is operating normally. Common mistakes include fan mode selected instead of cool mode, temperature set too high, sleep mode activated, energy saving mode limiting cooling. How to fix it? Select cool mode. Set temperature appropriately. Verify remote control settings. Replace remote batteries if necessary. Always check settings before assuming a major system failure. Conclusion. If your split AC is not cooling properly, the problem is often caused by 1. Dirty air filters. 2. Dirty coils. 3. Low refrigerant. 4. Compressor or capacitor problems. 5. Incorrect settings. Fortunately, many of these issues can be identified quickly and corrected before they become serious failures. Understanding these common problems helps homeowners and HVAC students diagnose cooling issues more effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HVAC videos.